Hello there, and welcome to this Year 11 mini test 2 for maths. Let's read the question together. So a restaurant menu includes 2 starter options, 5 main course options, and 3 dessert options. Assuming a customer chooses one of each, how many different ways are there for them to choose 1 starter, 1 main course, and 1 dessert? Choose the correct option. So in other words, we've got 2 starters, 5 main courses, and 3 desserts. How many different ways are there for one customer to choose 1 each? So this one's pretty easy, even though it looks pretty complicated. You can do the manual working out, which is going to take a long time, but I would recommend that you just multiply these numbers together. So 2 times 5 times 3. So 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 3 is 30. So all in all, if a customer chooses one of each, how many different ways are there for them to choose 1 starter, 1 main course, and 1 dessert? Well, there are going to be 30 in total. All right, so there are 30 different ways for them to choose only 1 starter, 1 main course, and 1 dessert. We just multiply the 3 numbers together. Okay, let's just quickly show you the next question as well very quickly. Okay, so expand and simplify the following expression, then choose the correct option. So if you're expanding these numbers, you're just multiplying them across from one to another. So from one bracket to another. So let's start from here. So 2x multiplied by x gives us 2x squared. And the next one to do is plus. Okay, so the plus goes there because plus is the first sign that we're actually going to use here. Secondly, we're going to do x times 1, which is going to be just x by itself. So x times 1 is x. And then the third thing, the third level, we're just going to multiply 3 by 1, and that gives us 3. But don't forget the minus sign here first, and we just put the 3 down there. So this is how we actually expand and simplify this particular expression. There are 20 random questions, different types of questions, so work each one of them out. Use a working out paper if you need to, and we'll discuss and review all these questions in our next follow-up class. Thank you.